Early morning, and these were the scenes drivers around Carmarthenshire were waking up to. Within a few hours, heavy snowfall was starting to cause concern. In Swansea and North Wales, it was slow moving. Most of the main roads were passable. Police have reported a number of collisions, but so far say there have been no serious injuries. The gritters have been out all night, clearing the roads and pavements. With conditions set to worsen, the authorities are asking people to take extra care.
Over the next 36 to 48 hours, it's probably more of the same with some freezing weather and some further flurries of snow. So I think the message at the moment to everybody is please take care when you're travelling. Think about whether the journey is necessary and allow yourself a little bit more time to make the journey.
Near Llandalo, not being able to get to work wasn't an option for this sheep farmer. But for others who'd been given the day off, it was a case of making the most of it. Over 400 schools have been closed across the country, with the worst affected areas in North Wales, the valleys and Swansea.
Basically been up sledging up the mountain with them. My boy's in here now on a snowball fight and she's built a snowman.
It may be approaching spring, but more snow is thought to be on the way. We've missed a white Christmas, but at least we can say we've had a white St David's Day.